welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can achieve this New Year's Eve look. If you're looking for a soft glamour makeup look with a little bit of pop for New Year's Eve, stay tuned and I will show you how you can achieve this look. I'm going to start off by priming my face. I'm using the Milk Hydrogel Primer and I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my face. Now that the primer is on, I just realized that my brows are struggling, so I'm just gonna brush them out and clean them out with a razor blade. Just clean them out. I can't remember the last time I waxed my brows. It's been a minute. So now I'm going to go ahead and set off with foundation. I'm using the Stila foundations. These are the Stay All Day foundations, and these are Espresso 15 and Dip 14. I mixed the two together to get my desired look. The products on the beauty blender, as you can see, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply. I really had a love-hate relationship for this foundation, just because I don't know, the first time I got one of the shades, it was a little bit too dark, and then I got another one which was a little bit too light. Just using one by itself just doesn't give me the look that I want, you know, so that's why I mix the colors together. I think this looks good. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight. I'll be using the LA Gal Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn. This is my go-to highlighting concealer. So I just go underneath the eyes like this. A little bit down the bridge of my nose, chin, and then on the forehead. And that shade in. Usually I use the Laura Mercier translucent powder to set my highlight, but because I ran out, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Banana. This is not my favorite setting powder, honestly, because it just cracks and I don't know, it just messes up my highlight. So I'm not going to bake with it. I'm just going to set that concealer, but very gently, and I'm not gonna put too much product as well, because again, I don't want it to crack and create creases, but it's what I have, so I'm just gonna work with it and the look will eventually come out. You guys will see. Okay, so I have the face on while it's setting and doing its thing. I'm going to go ahead and do brows now using the ABH Brow Pen, and this is in the shade Ebony. I like to shake it up a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill them in. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. This is a must-have product if you are a brow person. Oh my god, it just makes a difference. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. This palette has just gorgeous colors everywhere, so this is why I'm using it. I am going to use these shades right here. So I have my blending brush. This is my go-to. This is the Morphe M200 brush. Love this brush. I'm going to go in with ginger. So start off with ginger and then I'll go in with edges. So these are going to be my two transition shades. There's two right here. Transition shades. So start off with ginger. Just gonna go in and just start prepping that eye gently. And I like to go in circular motions, as you guys can see. That first color on. Now I'm going to go in with edges, which is a little bit brighter than this shade. This is a little bit brighter, as you can see. Now I am going to go in with Credit. So this is Credit. It's a dark brown shade. I'm using that same brush, that angled brush. Sorry, that blending brush. I really love this blending brush because it just does it for me, you know. So I like to use the tip of that brush and start off in the corner, like so. And then slowly pulling it inwards. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe S4 brush and apply Sponsored. So this is Sponsored. I'm gonna apply Sponsored and then I will apply Duration. I think I pronounced that well. I'm going to Sponsored. I'm going to apply it right here. As you guys can see. Wow, it looks really good, this shade. And then I'm gonna go in with my finger and just apply a little bit more, just to create more depth. I am going to flip the brush and then use the other side to apply lituation. Inwards like this. To grab my blending brush and blend those colors in together. I'm going to go in with an eyeliner. This is the e.l.f. black liner, and just apply a little bit on each eye and then just smudge it. So I'm just gonna go like this. And then use a flat brush. I'll tell you what brush it is after, because I don't want the color to dry out. Okay, so lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Credit, and I will be using that same flat brush that I used for the eyeliner. This is the Morphe. Can't see the name of this brush. Anyways, just use any flat brush that you have that looks like this and apply that brown liner and just follow that lash line. Okay, I'm going to use a Morphe M431 brush and I'm going to go into Dollars and go into the tear duct area. So the inner corner right here, I'm using Dollars. And also one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Dollars and apply it right here in the center. Okay, mascara is on. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour. I will be using the Fenty Beauty Matte Stick, and this is in the shade Espresso. Right. I like to blend as I go, just because this concealer dries out really fast. The sides of my nose. And just blend. So now I'm just going in with powder. I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder, and this is in the shade Dark Deepest, and I'm just going to set everything. We are going to contour. I'm using the Patricia Bright and Makeup Revolution face palette. This is Dusk Teal Tone, and I'm using that shade right there to contour. And I'm using that same brush we used for powder. I am using the blush in the same palette. To highlight, I'm using the Stila Cosmetics Heaven's Hue highlighter, and this is in the shade Browns. For lipstick, I'm going to apply a red lipstick. I went between a nude and a red lipstick, and I decided to do red just because it's New Year's and your lips gotta pop, girl. So I'm using Russian Red by MAC, and we have our lips on. Yes, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and put lashes real quick. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop some comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.